Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Kingdom. Are you a dog lover? Today, let's learn about these loyal and friendly friends with Froggy in this challenge. Would you rather? Dog Edition. Froggy has 70 questions, and you only have 7 seconds to make your choice. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and let's get started. Which dog is cuter, a Scottish Terrier or a Bull Terrier? Would you choose a Papillon or a Samoyed? A Bulldog or a Pit Bull? What's your choice? Do you prefer a Golden Retriever or a French Bulldog? Which dog is cuter, a Pug or a Beagle? Would you rather sell your pet dog or like this video? Would you pick a Corgi dog or a Jack Russell dog? Which dog is cuter, a Shiba Inu or a Portuguese water dog? A Poodle or a Labrador? What's your choice? Greater Swiss Mountain Dog or a Lagotto Romagnolo dog? A Japanese Akita or an American Akita? Would you rather save this dog or get the mystery gift revealed at the end of the video? Chihuahua or Greyhound? Which dog do you like more? Would you choose an American Foxhound or an English Foxhound? What's your choice? Do you prefer a Black Russian Terrier or a Bedlington Terrier? A German Spitz or a Finnish Spitz? A Yorkshire Terrier or a Fox Terrier? Which dog is cuter? Dachshund or Chiweenie? Do you prefer a German Shepherd or a Shar-Pei? A miniature Schnauzer or a Siberian Husky? A Bernese Mountain or a Doberman Pinscher? Which dog is cuter, a Boston Terrier or a Pomeranian? Have a Sheltie or a Havanese as a pet? A Doberman or a Borzoi? Would you choose a Great Dane or a Cavachin? Which dog do you like more, a Maltese or a Bichon Frise? An Australian Kelpie or an Australian Silky Terrier? A Boxer or a Rottweiler? A Rat Terrier or a Brittany? Do you prefer a Shetland Sheepdog or a Cocker Spaniel? Would you choose a miniature American Shepherd or a Border Collie? Which dog is cuter, a Basset Hound or an English Mastiff? Would you rather have a Rough Collie or a Weimaraner? A Bull Mastiff or a Whippet? Which dog would you choose? A Brussels Griffon or a Japanese Chin? Do you prefer an Italian Greyhound or an Irish Setter? Which one's cuter, a Russell Terrier or a Cairn Terrier? Would you choose an Old English Sheepdog or a Staffordshire Bull Terrier? A miniature Pinscher or a Chinese Crested? Would you rather comment the name of your pet dog or comment your name? Which dog is cuter? A Chow Chow or a Buer Terrier? Do you prefer an Irish Wolfhound or a Border Terrier? A West Highland White Terrier or a Dandy Dinmont Terrier? Would you choose a Dalmatian or a Bloodhound? Do you prefer an Akita or a Saint Bernard? An Eskimo or a Keeshond? Do you prefer a Dorgie or a Dorkie? Would you choose an English Bulldog or an American Bully? A Maltipoo or a Golden Doodle? Would you rather have an Affenpinscher or a Corgi Door? Do you prefer a Welsh Terrier or an Airedale Terrier? Have a Commandor or a Pulley as a pet? Would you choose a cattle dog or a Sesky Terrier? An English Setters or a miniature Bull Terrier? Kangal or Great Pyrenees? Which dog's cuter? A Chinese Shar Pei or a giant Schnauzer? Would you choose Alaskan Malamute or Cardigan Welsh Corgi? What's your pick? Would you rather have an Australian Shepherd or an Australian Cattle? A Saint Bernard or a Newfoundland? Do you prefer a blue heeler or a red heeler? Would you choose Anatolian Shepherd or Great Pyrenees dog? A Tibetan Mastiff or a Cane Corso? Which dog is cuter? A Borbal or a Prisa Canario? Do you prefer an Ozawa or a Canaan? A Finnish Spitz or a Chinook? Which dog is cuter, an Otterhound or a Sloogie? A Norwegian Lundhund or an American Staffordshire Terrier? Now it's time to open the mystery gift. Congratulations! You receive a cute puppy! Do you like this gift? Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge!